Alright, this is going to be a brief demonstration on putting a compression connector on an RG6 Coax cable and how to use the compression tool. As you can see, I got a piece of spare cable here, and I got a 50 pack of compression connectors, and then I got my tools here, which consists of cutters, wire stripper, and the compression tool itself. Here's my compression connectors before I install them, and as the name implies, they compress, so they get squeezed down onto the cable. Since my cable's already cut, I'm just going to grab my cable stripper, and there's a lot of different flavors of these, but it should have two razor blades in there. One that's going to cut it down to the copper, and the other one that's going to remove the sheathing. Get it locked in place, give it a squeeze, and just go around. Here we are. Now the other side. So here you want to just take this braiding and take your finger and just kind of pull it down around the edge. And just fold it over. There we are. Now to put the connectors on. Now the tool isn't going to do the work for you as far as smashing it down on there. You got to do that yourself. The tool will just kind of lock it in place. Get it on there nice and easy, and then twist it if you have to, whatever you got to do to get it down there. And what you want to get is that white insulation there. You want that flush with the back wall of this connector. Alright, so I got them both on there. They're about as flush as I can get them. So it's time for the compression tool. This is pretty cut and dry, pretty easy. Just put your cable in there, get a good hold of it, and squeeze it down. Compressed. You see the difference between the two of them. And it's done. If you're wondering about the toolkit, that was $25 at Lowe's, and the compression connectors for a 50 pack was $12, $13. So there's a quick example of how to put a compression connector on an RG6 Coax cable. It's simple and easy to do and doesn't take very long. Anybody can do it. You just got to have the right tools. Thanks for watching my video. Hope it was helpful, and see you next time.